Hey guys, it's Vanity, and today I have an easy sultry look using the LA Girl Nudes eyeshadow palette. And I'm just going to go into that brown shimmery color. I'm gonna use this fluffy brush, eyeshadow brush, to apply it all over my lid. This eyeshadow brush is a bit bigger than your average fluffy brush, so keep that in mind. That's why I'm able to apply it all over my lid so easily. The brush is also from Wetnwild, and now I'm just continuing to build that color on my eyelid while also blending it out so it can have a smoky look to it. Now I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other side, building up that beautiful color. And I'm just following the natural shape of my eyelid. Now I'm going to go in with Badunkadunk mascara from NYX. And I'm going to apply a few coats. This will help the falsies I'm going to apply next to blend in. And I just like to blink into the mascara wand or brush, however you want to call it, because I feel that this gives me the most volume. Now I'm going to use my Shopmissa Alexis Wispy Falsies. These are one of my favorite falsies from their website. And I'm going to apply it with this Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. Just about that much, a thin layer. And try to apply it as close to the lash line as possible, especially when you're opting not to apply any eyeliner, because that will help the falsies blend in with your regular lashes. And I'm just gonna do the same for the other side. Now I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Infallible Foundation in Sun Beige. And I'm just going to apply it with a little beauty sponge all over my face. And I'm just going to use that sponge to blend it out. This is one of my favorite methods to apply foundation because it does not exfoliate the skin. So now I'm just going to take my time blending that out. This is a medium coverage foundation, by the way. Now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm just applying it right under my eyes in order to conceal any dark circles. And I'm going to blend it out with my same beauty blender. going to use my air-spun setting powder in the color Translucent. And I'm just going to set it with a flat eyeshadow brush. And I'm just going to allow this to sit on my eyes for a few minutes. Now I'm going to remove the excess powder with a big fluffy brush. Now I'm going into my beige Cosmetics contour palette. And I'm going to use that light brown color that I always use. And I'm just going to do a light contour just on these sides of my face, on the cheeks. Because I want the focus to be the eyes. I don't want it to be a very contoured look. And once again, I'm just going to blend that out with my sponge. Now I'm going in with my AOA highlighter in the color Maroon. And I'm just going to use this flat little brush to apply it on the bridge of my nose. On the tip of my nose. And on the sides of my face. And right above my lip. Now I'm going in with my Wetnwild lip liner in the color Don't Be a Prune. And I'm just going to line my lips with this. And now I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in the color Brandy. And this is a matte lipstick. And I just love the two-tone effect that the lip liner gave this lipstick. It was so beautiful. And this is the final look. Very easy, everyday, sultry look. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And follow me on IG at HeyVanity21. Thank you.